Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to edit your name on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your name is one of the key elements that represent you on the platform. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Go to your profile. Simply navigate to your profile on X, Twitter, by clicking on your profile picture or username. Step 2. Look for the Edit Profile button on your profile page and click on it to access the editing options. Step 3. Locate the name section on your profile and click or tap into it to make changes. Step 4. Update your name with the desired changes, whether it's correcting a typo or updating your display name. Step 5. Once you've made the necessary changes to your name, click or tap on the Save button to apply the updates to your profile. Congratulations! You have successfully edited your name on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your updated name will now be visible to your followers. Enjoy personalizing your profile with the right name. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more informative content. Thank you for watching.